I'm formally announcing that after our meeting today, I'm filing formally for asylum here at the Netherlands. As soon as my application of asylum is received, I do have the rights to non-refoulement. Non-refoulement under international law means, number one, non-deportation until matapos yung investigasyon if I'm entitled to asylum status. And number two, non-prosecution for illegal entry. Pero legal naman ang pagpasok ko dahil meron akong visa. No? Pero naniniwala ako na yung warrant of arrest ng Kamara de Representante ng WAD Committee ay mapapatunay ng unjust prosecution. Kasi dito sa Europa, unheard of yung isang warrant of arrest na indefinite ang lifetime, number one. Number two, walang bail. So, at number three, malinaw naman yan na ito isang investigasyon sa Pogo na nais nilang talagang i-link si dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte, no? At malinaw na sa tingin ko ang political motivation behind the investigation on the Pogo dahil ang sinasabi ng WAD Committee, si Presidente raw ang nag-legalize ng operation ng Pogo even if it has always been there, no? Since time pa ng Aquino government, no? So I'm
Attorney,
confident. I am
when
confident
was
that I can prove political persecution through unjust prosecution ng Huwad Committee.
that filed, attorney, yung application for asylum, and how long do you expect that to be acted upon?
Well, I'm filing it immediately after our meeting. Okay, so I'm heading in the afternoon. The place of filing is medyo malayo, 3 hours. So I expect to spend the night there. And there's a whole procedure that I need to comply before they give me um, proof that I am an asylum seeker and a temporary residence in the Netherlands as soon as they receive my application for asylum.
Okay. You came from
Ano pong
Dubai
korte?
po.
I'm sorry?
Sa Dutch courts po ito?
Hindi. It's just the parang counterpart of the Commission on Immigration and Deportation. Ang tawag
You came
nila
from Dubai,
INS.
attorney.
Ano pong tawag, sir? Ano pong tawag?
INS ang tawag, INS.
Well, do you
INS.
have the complete name?
O, ano ba yung complete name na yung INS?
Sige, we'll just Google.
Oo, Google nyo na lang.
Pero ibig sabihin, attorney, you came from Dubai as reported in the Philippines.
Well, I don't have to answer that, please. Ang alam ko is I don't have a warrant of arrest, I don't have a whole departure order, and I can only confirm I'm now in the Netherlands.